In this video, I'm going to show you how to crossfade in Cubase. Now to do this, first you want to have two audio clips which you want to crossfade. So I'm actually going to use these two over here and then put a crossfade in between them. So there's two ways you could do here. You could go and put them next to each other just like this, or you could go and overlap them slightly, okay? So it's completely up to you. And then whenever you've done this, I'm going to keep it like it is. You want to go and highlight both of them. So to do this, just click anywhere where there's empty space, just click and drag over to select both of them like that. Now once you've done this, you have two options. You could either press X on your keyboard, and as you can see, if I zoom in here, it's going to show a crossfade, or what you could also do with both selected, go to audio up top left and then go to fades, hover over it and click on crossfade. So as you can see, it's going to do the same thing, and there we go, it's going to put on a crossfade. You could also go and then double click on this crossfade, and here it's going to allow you to edit your crossfade however you want it to be, okay? Which is quite cool, and when you're done, you can just get out of here, and there we go, you have a crossfade on your audio clip. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.